Alright, so right now, I'm gonna go head out to ALC, see what up with them. But first, of course, we gotta get a cold start of the diesel, so. Holy shit. Yeah, so I know I posted the cold start video and it was only like 30 degrees. Now it's been consistently like 11, 12. And it's fucking, look how much smoke that thing is smoking out. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. So, but what I didn't tell you guys is, I bought a sled. So, you tell me the dirt bikes and four-wheelers and bullshit, blah, blah. I actually got a snowmobile, which I never thought I would get. Funny story is, this is my fault. I didn't do the tags or anything, kind of just bought it and kind of rode it. And I ended up getting like $600 for the tickets. So, I think I want to sell it because I want to live too far. They're fun, but I'd rather have a dirt bike. So, you know what we'll do? We'll start it real quick. If I can start with one hand, we'll see. Yeah, so this thing only has 3,000 miles on it. It's pretty fucking clean. It's a one owner. This thing. So, yeah, no, it's a Ski-Doo. It's a 97 Ski-Doo MXD 670. Has a race clutch, tuned carbs, and about 3,000 miles. And it's fast. It's literally fast as fuck. It's ridiculous. So, I don't think I'll do it. Let's see. No, not gonna happen. Shit's cool. So I'm honestly so surprised I just started that. That was dead cold, by the way. Dead cold. I haven't touched this thing in like 2 weeks. So, actually longer than that. It hasn't been running for like a month. So, not bad. If anyone wants to buy this thing, let me know. I'll do a good deal. I want to trade for a dirt bike. So, that or something cool, at least. Or, about $1,800 cash would take it for me. So, it's fucking cool. That's gay as fuck. Welcome to the vlog, boys. Girls, I don't know if girls watch this. Please don't watch this. It'd be embarrassing. Today, we got one major thing planned out. Big old burnout. Huge one. So, Noah has a 7.3 Powerstroke, blah, blah, blah. You guys truck guys. Cool. You get to hear old piece of shit burn rubber. That'd be sick. Cool. Number 2 is, I don't know. Number 3, we're washing my truck. So, stay tuned for the stupid shit we do today. Alright, so, I'm going to point out something real quick for everybody. If you have offset on your truck in the winter, it's irritating as hell because I roll my windows down for 1 second and you get this everywhere. I mean, literally my window's down for maybe a minute while driving and you got all this shit. And you see this? Oh, this is my window. I literally just washed my truck yesterday, or 2 days ago. No, 2 days ago. Look at this shit. This shit, guys, is ridiculous. It's nasty. It's nasty. Focus, focus, focus. There we go. So you guys think I'm playing when I say it's cold here? Like, I know you Canadians are probably gonna bitch like you pussy. It's not even that cold, but bro, it's 7 degrees right now. My shit's been warming up for like 15 minutes and it's still like not warm at all. And high idle's cranked like a motherfucker right now. But you guys need to give me some feedback here. Fuck. What do you guys think about the vlogs? First of all, are they boring? You guys gotta follow my Snapchat. So I'm gonna throw it right here. Instagram I don't really care about. It's just my truck usually. If you want to follow it, I'll throw it here too. But Snapchat's a big one. Like I reply to everybody on Snapchat, and I literally post on it every day. So let's do that. Oh, it's cold. It's cold as fuck. This is what happens when you wake up late. You get fucking shit food. Alright, so like I said, we got a burnout planned out. This kid has a 7.3 and there's a snowmobile in the back of it, so. Oh, hey. Hey, how's it going? Oh, pretty good. Just another day in America. There's a snowmobile back here, so. This is the old 7.3, boys. Let's go. That was such a fail. Oh no. Oh my god. Let's get the fuck out of here. Ah, that was so bad. That's why I don't get a 7.3, guys. There's no power in that bitch. So that was a fail. We're gonna do it again. Fuck. Alright. Fail number 2. It didn't work, so we're gonna get the cops called on us. Did not work. So, oh, this lady's pissed too. She's flicked him off. So right now, Noah's with me. I picked him up from fucking Pet Boys, whatever. And now we're at a car wash, washing the salt off my fucking shitty truck.
You're disgusting ass. Yeah,
it's nasty, bro. Even the inside's all fucked up too. It's really bad. Not even in frame, am I? Yeah, I am. So let's wash it. And it's 5 degrees out. So, bitch. That's ice. It just turned to ice. It's so cold, bro. My shirt. You're frozen, ice. Bro.
It's fine. It's cold. It's not cold out.
No, it's not cold at all.
Fuck.
Fuck. What's up? Alright. This is my car right here.
That's the 217.
Ready, I missed you. Come here. We're vlogging right now. We're vlogging right now. Oh, he shaved it.
This is literally, bro. Damn. When you press the button, it makes that noise.
Bitch. We're gonna finish this one up real quick. And then we're out of here. Too many fucking nice cars in here. The Mazda, got the Mero, the Range. This fucking guy.
Look at that face he made.
What'd you say, bitch? Huh?
I love that.
Huh, boy?
Well, get the fuck out of here, bro. What the fuck?
Hey,
Boy.
fuck Logan Paul!
Oh, what was his name? What's his name?
I love Logan Paul, that's my...
Yeah, fuck Hogan Paul. Logan Paul. Fuck whatever, dude. Champagne, champagne. Switch, switch, cross, cross, swivel, swivel, cross, cross. Step back. Behind the back.
You ready? This is what Lil Wayne did with his champagne right here. Fuck the phone!
Woo!
That's what champagne!
Nigga!
Get out of here. Champagne!
Champagne!
And it still works!
Woo!
I think, I hope.
These niggas just fucked this shit up, boy.
Idiots.
Alright, so right now, we are going to, geez, what am I trying to say? Right now, I'm going to put the liner back in, and then I gotta put this interior door panel back on. I have to bolt it in. A couple bolts I need for taillights, I plug them in. And you get this door panel on, and then, so